The Mystery of the Hiccups. In the classroom, Nomi suddenly hiccups loudly. Hic! Nomi is surprised. Oh no! What's happening to me? Hic! Hira giggles. Looks like your tummy is making funny sounds, Nomi. Nomi is worried. Is it a frog jumping inside? Hic! Magical appearance. Dr. Zoom pops out of a science book in a puff of sparkles. Hello, Science Squad. I heard someone having a hiccup emergency. Nomi hiccups again. Yes, doctor. Please fix it before I float away. Dr. Zoom laughs. No frogs, no magic. It's just your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs. Dr. Zoom underneath the poster. When your diaphragm jumps suddenly, like a surprise bounce, you hiccup. Hira says, so it's like my body saying, oops? Dr. Zoom says, exactly. Sometimes it happens when you eat too fast, drink soda, or laugh too much. Hira says, oh, I see. So it's like my body is having a little surprise party and the hiccup is the party popper. Nomi is grinning. So my diaphragm is just doing a happy dance? Dr. Zoom chuckles. You could say that. Take a deep breath and drink some water slowly. Nomi drinks water and the hiccups stop. Wow, it worked. Science saves the day. Hiccup free. Hira is smiling and says, and now we know hiccups are just tiny body surprises. They laugh as Dr. Zoom waves goodbye in sparkles. Moral of the story is science helps us understand the funny things our body does.